Today I'm going to speak about Zippay service, which was launched in Ireland early March. Zippay is a person-to-person interbank payment service which allows account holders to send and request money from each other only by using the mobile number. Now, two things about the video. One, I'm going to show you Zippay on AIB app because I'm an AIB customer, although I worked on Zippay with PTSB for almost a year like many of you know. The AIB app doesn't allow me to screen record it, so I'm going to use a second cam to record my phone. Two, it's the first time I'm using the service, so you're going to see my genuine reaction about the AIB app because I haven't seen Zippay on AIB before. And because it's the first time I'm using the service, there will be two steps. The first step is where the app is supposed to ask me for access to my contact or if it can send notifications and some basic other steps. And the second part is where I send a payment transaction. Now, in the payment step, I'm going to send a €1 transaction to my ex-manager at PTSB, Dawn, who I'm very grateful that she gave me the opportunity to work on Zippay service. Now, let's see how Zippay works. Okay, this is the registration step in the Zippay service. Now, because AIB app doesn't allow me to screen record, I'm going to use an external camera. So first you have to go to the 3 menu here, hamburger menu, click on Pay and Transfer, and that's where you can see the Zippay service here. It's not in the main menu, which is a little bit annoying for me, but few clicks and you'll find it. So this is the Zippay here. And now you can see it's going to get through the registration step. So I'm going to click on next and see what asks me. So Zippay is better with your friends. To send, ask money, we need to access your contacts. So yeah, that's the first step. And I'm going to allow the app to access my contacts. Allow to access contacts. Yep, allow it. Stay up to date. This is for the notifications. Also, I will allow it. And then here it's asking me which account to pick. I'm going to just keep it with my current account, which is pre-selected. And it says you're all set. All right, so that was the registration step. Now let's move to the payment step. Okay, so now after we registered in the service, now we're gonna try to send one transaction. So again, there is no Zippay in the main menu screen. So we're gonna go here, Pay and Transfer. And again, we're gonna click on Zippay. It's taking a few seconds. It's a bit slow in my opinion. It could be faster. Okay, so here we have 3 options. We have send money, we have request money, and we have split a payment. And those two, Zippay history and view all transaction. But in this case, I'm gonna just go with send money. So here it's looking for all my contacts. It's asking for my contacts. Now, as you can see, I'm gonna blur this information because they are personal information. But let's look for Dawn. Okay, so here again, you're not gonna see the number, but the application is showing the number. But for this video, I'm gonna blur the number. I'm gonna click on Dawn. And this is like a menu for fraud awareness. To help raise awareness about fraud and scam, please select an option for this payment. So this is, I believe, something standard within AIB. Whenever you want to send money, you have to put the reason. So let me see what you can put here. Request from a text or a call, paying for things online, moving money to a safe account, paying a friend or family. Yeah, I'll choose this one, paying a friend or family. Could this be a scam? Again, I believe this is standard in all their payment, not specifically related to Zippay. Just say, yeah, continue. And then here it shows my current with the balance on the side, which is blurred. I'm going to just put €1 here. And statement, this is optional, and this is like message for my contact. I'm just gonna say, hey Dawn, congrats. Okay, so it looks like they have an 18 characters limit in the message contacts. And then we will, and then again here below we have the money should arrive in your contacts account within seconds. So I'll just click continue. And then here again, we got like a pre-confirmation screen before sending. So it's like you are sending €1 to Dawn, and then you can see here the name is masked. The full number shown, I'm gonna mask it. I'm gonna blur it in the video, but I can confirm that I can see the full number and my message, which I wrote, hey Dawn, congrats.
And then again, another message here, verify you are paying the correct person with the registered name before continuing. So just kind of extra message to make sure that we are not sending money to the wrong person. And then it says, again, we don't charge fees for Zippay transaction here below it. And then I'm going to say send money now. Payment is going through. Oop. And then we get a confirmation screen. You say you sent €1 to Dawn. Again, with the name masked, number, full number, which I'm gonna blur it in this video, and with a message I wrote, which is, hey Dawn, congrats.
Alright guys, so this is a basic payment transaction on Zippay. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to follow my YouTube channel and to follow me on LinkedIn.